We got a Birchbox. Gypsy thinks this is for her. Hello, Gypsy girl. Do you think this is for you, this Birchbox? It's beauty that delivers. Let's see what's in it. Birchbox, beauty that delivers. It's just got a little note in here, a little QR code that lets you know what's inside your box. Are you ready, Gypsy? You ready to see what all we got? Meet your destiny. That's a little baby perfume. Just a little tiny one. Do you want it? What do you think? Do you think it smells good? Let's open it up and see. You ready? You take the first sniff. What do you think? Ooh. It's very strong. We'll have to put it on and try. We got a bottle of micellar water to clean your face. We've got Peter Thomas Roth cucumber gel mask. So something else to clean your face. And we have, oh, I can't read that. We got this stuff. So this perfume, after I put it on, it's actually kind of pleasant. It's almost, I think, musky. It kind of smells a little bit like a man. I don't care for it. You can't go wrong with this micellar water. Definitely great for traveling. This cucumber gel mask extreme detox hydrator doesn't really have a smell at all. It says it has extracts of cucumber, papaya, chamomile, pineapple, sugar, maple, sugarcane, orange, lemon, bilberry, and aloe vera. But I don't smell anything. I put a little bit on my hand here and I can't smell anything. Back to this stuff. Now that I have my reading glasses on, it is beauty and it's beauty protection, protect and detangle leave-in conditioner. This stuff smells really good. It looks like this when you open it up. And the bottle is like rubbery and squishy, but it smells very pleasant. It's got like a slight perfumey smell to it. And then we have the Chella Neutral Eyeshadow Palette. So it's got these colors in here. Oh, Gypsy thinks she needs some. So it's got a few different colors in here. We'll open this up. What do you think, Gypsy? Do you think they'll match your coloring? These colors are very pretty. This is a nice size. It can fit in your purse for quick and simple applications. You've got the Femme, Instincts, Dynamic, and Virtuality. So those are the colors. Very pretty colors, very neutral. And there's a little swatch test from left to right is the Femme, whatever you want to call it. The second one in is Instincts, Dynamic, and then the Vitality. So they're pretty. A little bit of shimmer and sparkle in there. And the last thing in our box is an Aromatherapy Revive Morning Bath and Shower Oil. So let's open this up. So it's a good thing they put it in this box because it's kind of leaking. It says you take a little bit of it, cup it in your hands, breathe it in, rub it on your stomach before you get in the shower, and then just wash. I think this kind of smells like Pine Sol or Lysol, like the Pine Sol cleaner. I don't care for this. Maybe it'll smell differently when you put it in the shower. What do you think, Gypsy? Do you like it? Ugh. Oh, no. Nope. Well, we'll try it in the shower. So that's our Birchbox for January. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Appreciate all of ya. Say goodbye, Gypsy. You're just going to bury it. You think it stinks. So for me, for a first-time Birchbox, I do not think this is worth the money. I don't like 3/4 of the products. I don't like the smell of this. I don't like the smell of this for sure, which is probably the most expensive thing, I'm guessing. The shadows are nice. I love this stuff. I've had this before. I really do like this. You can't go wrong with that. And as far as the mask, you know, I want something that has a little scent. So I'm not impressed. I would not purchase this, but that's just me. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See ya.